Can I host my own website with my own computer? How would I go about doing that? Aleksandar Savkovic says, for sure you can. A web server is just a computer somewhere else, not at your home. So install all you need to run a website on your computer and do it. What you need to take care of is your internet speed, because your upload speed is defining the download speed for the visitors, so with multiple visitors it can be challenging. Also, separate the router of that website computer from the rest of the internet in your house. Wow Amazing says, 1. Get yourself a domain name. 2. First confirm that your internet service provider allows you hosting, otherwise it might get suspended due to bandwidth issue. 3. You will need a static IP. Contact ISP for that. 4. Have a good configuration PC, as it will be running 24/7. 5. PC must have latest updates to OS. 6. For Linux you can use Apache, MySQL, PHP web stack, AMP. For Windows WAMP. 7. Code your website or get it coded through Fiverr, etc. 8. Copy website code into WAMP server, AMP server root folder. 9. Ensure the router is pointing to your static IP. 10. Start WAMP, AMP server. Your website will be live. Josie Elliana says, hello folks. My answer for this question is, yes, you certainly can. However, there are several restrictions to be aware of before proceeding. You should be able to install and configure www server software on your computer. This is software that allows internet users to view your computer's web files. Running websites on your home computer is supported by your internet service provider. You'll need to look at your bandwidth allocation. Your PC must always be turned on. Your website will become unavailable each time you turn it off or reboot it. Because home internet connections are not built to serve web pages, your website will load slowly. Here are the steps. Hosting on Windows, testing WAMP server. Configure MySQL database. Make your website live. Adding a domain name. I hope this will help you. Thanks. Thanks for watching our video on, can I host my own website with my own computer? How would I go about doing that?